Computer engineering is not as easy as you think. There's a lot of work going on, like encoding in multiple languages, such as C++, Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, servlet, and UML design. They are responsible for designing, developing, implementing, and testing computer-based hardware and software, such as components found inside the computer. It involves understanding how we can harness the laws of physics and electronics to create better computer components. And because of the undying passion, they were able to create a life-changing invention, like mobile telephones, personal digital assistants, location-aware devices. People think that only those who are good at math and hardcore science and the course for hackers. But no! Computer engineering is more than mathematical abilities one can have through education. It is one's passion and determination that can help a student to fulfill his or her engineering dreams. It takes 4 to 5 years of computer engineering as an undergrad course. During those 4 years, students will learn system development and design, computer-based control systems, data communication and network engineering, and artificial intelligence. If you're an aspiring computer engineer, here are the following career options you might want to consider in the near future. A project manager, a project engineer, a network systems administrator, a network systems manager, a network systems engineer, a data communications engineer, a systems manager, a systems engineer, a technical support engineer, a software engineer, or an IP engineer. But it doesn't stop there. You can now be one of the employees of the following: Toshiba, Apple, HP, IBM, Acer, Gateway, Fujitsu, Lenovo, Sony, and Google. Are you willing to take the risk or lose the chance?
Be one of us.
Be one of us.
Be one of us. Be one of us.
Be one of us.
Be one of us. Be one of us.